How to remove email from Roblox account. So if you wish to remove your email from your Roblox account, let me tell you that you cannot completely remove the email and only keep your phone number. You can create a new Roblox account without using an email address by just adding your phone number. But if you've already added an email, you cannot just remove email. But what you can do is you can replace your email using another email address. Once you're logged into roblox.com, click on the gear icon from the top right hand side and then just navigate to settings. Right from here under account info, scroll and look for the option called email. You can see mine is currently verified already. So in my case, I've already added it. Now what you want to do is click on this pencil like editing button next to it. Just enter the new email address that maybe you'd like to use for any sort of reason right here. And you can also sign up to receive emails of Roblox from this email on the new email and click on change email. But to change the email, of course, you have to verify your current email address. So click on the change email button. And once you click on the change email, it's going to send a two-step verification to know that it's really you. So you have to also log into the original email of yours. And from there, you can go ahead and get the code verified, verify the new email, verify the code, and your email will be changed. But obviously, you cannot just completely point blank remove it. I hope the video helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.